Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Skol in depth. First, the definition. Skol means a Scandinavian toast, meaning cheers or good health. Think of it simply as a friendly salute when clinking glasses. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Skol traces back to Old Norse, used historically as a drinking salute among Vikings. Over time, it's been used by Viking cultures and is still a popular cheer today. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Skol in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Fans shouted Skol to celebrate the Minnesota Vikings' touchdown during the game. Correct example 2. During the festival, everyone raised their cups and cheered Skol. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Skol my computer, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Skol correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Skol means a Scandinavian toast meaning cheers or good health. It comes from Old Norse drinking customs, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Skol down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.